Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 71 Chevy C10. Nice pickup, one we just put a brand new 350 engine in it. Got a little bit of cam in it, so real nice running and driving. It's got an older paint job, so it's got some patina, as you can see. Got some rock chips on the hood here. Front grille, aftermarket grille, bumpers all good, bezels are good. Like I said, your biggest thing is you're gonna see some chips here and there. And then you can see your American Racing wheels on it. Some more chips right here. And then up on top, just paint that's flaking off where they got the rubber, the lip there. So this is a two bad spots on this side, and it also has the same spots on the other side. So probably on the doors here, probably need to put a little metal in there and fix that. Otherwise the rockers are good, seat's been redone, dash is good, got a cover on it, got some aftermarket gauges in it. Non-air truck, there's the factory radio. I also have a custom auto sound one that we can install, or I'll just send it with it. There you can see, being Cheyenne package, has the wood grain on it, and then the headliner. Also, that needs to be painted new black vinyl. Got a tonneau cover on it. Said there really isn't any rust anywhere, as you can see on here. This is all smooth, but you know, a chip here and there just from being a little bit older paint job, somebody driving it and have a little fun. So if you want to take it to the next level, it would be an easy one to do, because not a lot of rust work. There you can see the scratch right there. And then again on this side, right on the corners of the door. You can see little rock chips on the front of the box. So really good running, driving truck, and got a little patina on it. Not a lot of rust, but just a little bit. Come from actually come from out in Wyoming, I believe. So pretty dry country there. So any questions, give us a call, 605-695-7391.